Hey, what's going on, you guys? My name is Moonis and welcome to this brand new video. So, in this video, I'm going to be talking about a new spy tool that has actually impressed me a lot. I have been using it since past few months. My team is using it, my students are using it, and today I thought why not share it with you? Why not make a complete video about how I am using this tool and what are the benefits, what are the things which actually makes it different from the tools which are already available in the market, right? But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and yes, make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, without any further ado, let's simply jump into my computer screen and let me show you what is the name of this tool and how I use it. So guys, here we are on my computer screen and this is the tool I'm talking about. It's called Adspy. It's actually a very cool tool and you are actually going to love the way I use it. So this is how the dashboard actually looks like. It's very basic, it's very simple to understand. It is very similar to the spy tools which I have used in the past. And you can find videos, photos, and what I usually like to do is I like to go for photos first, so that I can find an opportunity to turn a winning product, which a person was just running. Let's say that a person was just running a photo ad of a winning product. So what I would like to do is I can simply take that product, get a good ad done, a video ad done of that product, and start promoting it again, right? So this is one of the basic technique which I use. So there are so many things to explore about this tool. So without wasting time, what I would like to do is I would like to simply show you the way I use it. And if you like that technique, then you can simply start implementing the technique which I use, right? So here's what I do. So the first thing which I do is I use this filter where I simply go for top 4. So I'm gonna go for United States, I'm gonna go for United Kingdom, and then I'm gonna go for Australia and Canada. Australia and Canada. All right. Now, once the countries have been selected, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here on technology. Now you can either go for Shopify, or if you're trying to find a product where a person is using a funnel, then you can go for ClickFunnels, right? So I use Shopify over here. Now the filter which I really love the most, the filter which has impressed me, which is actually giving me some proven winners, is this one. Now the best thing about this particular filter is that you can sort it by number of daily likes. So I usually like to keep it around 30 to 35 so that I can find a product that is getting likes every single day. It isn't an old product where you're just seeing the same product over and over again on all the spy tools. This actually helps you in finding some great winning products which are running right now. So once I apply this filter, I simply come up over here and let's say that I want to find a problem solving tool, right? Or maybe I want to find some kind of a tool. So in this example, I'm going to simply show you one keyword. Okay, so let's simply type tool and see what kind of data it is having. And one thing which I really love about Adspy is that it is having a very fresh data. This is the problem with usually most of the Adspy software, that they do not have fresh database. They simply have a same database, and they would show you the same product, the same ads over and over again. But this one is very different. Now look at this. All right, now look at this. So this is the product which is actually running for a person, and see the kind of likes he has got. Look at this. So I'm going to reduce the volume over here and look at this. So this product is actually working for this person. This is like all right, so let's simply come up here and try to see the ad, and here it is. Look at this. All right, so this one was launched on 7th of April and today it is 15th. Look at this. So it is a fresh product, a fresh winning product, and I think this is actually looking like a winning product, right? Look at this. Look at the number of comments and look at this. So let's try and see the newest comments over here. All right, so look at this. I would like to order, do you have a discount code? 3 hours back. Look at this. So this is the reason why I am really impressed with this tool. It helps me in finding such kind of fresh winning products. I haven't seen this product before, and now what I can do is I can even go ahead and find the ads what I can do is, I can even find more ads of this particular page. Plus, I can also analyze some of the data about this particular ad, right? So here I am, and here is some of the backend data. So it's gonna tell you things about, what kind of supplier they are using. So look at this, they are using CJ Dropshipping, and they are using Shopify payments. It's gonna give you some of the details. At times, these details can actually make a lot of difference. You can also find the best comments over here, so that you can understand that, yeah, if people are actually liking this product, or they are just calling it a scam, or a waste of money. So this way it actually helps you in saving a lot of time, and you can actually make your product research sheet very, very quickly using this particular tool. Look at this, look at the next one. Now this one is in the gardening niche, and I think it can be sold to people who are a little elders. You can sell it to people who are 40 above or 50 above. And this is actually a fresh ad of this particular product, because I have sold this product in the past, but I have never used or seen this particular ad. So yeah, this is a fresh angle, and look at this, there is a reason why it is working for them. Now let's check out this one, and it actually looks very cool. It looks very cool. Wow. All right, so I think this is a good product for technology early adopters. If you must have, I believe you must have noticed, there is one interest inside Facebook's ads targeting, where you can target people who are technology early adopters, and I think this is the right tool for them. Look at this, and this is a very new, very unique product. And yeah, I mean, if I were you, I would definitely add this product in my product research sheet. Now let's check out this one. So I think
has created the most innovative coastal kitchen tools ever
oh
made.
wow.
So don't stop shit. With the tubfish monster cutter.
All right, so what they have done is they have simply created a branded store around these basic fishing tools. These are these are kitchen products which are used in order to clean up the fish and everything. And I think that they have done something really cool. This is the kind of stuff which I really appreciate, because they have actually found the right product, and what they have done is they have created a brand around it. This is what I always teach my students, that focus on creating a brand. Look at this. So it's a basic shrimp cleaner. You can easily find it for $1 or $2 on Alibaba or AliExpress. And look at this, they are selling it for $19.99. They're also selling a bundle. So you just need to get one sale. You just need to acquire the customer once, and then you can have your entire funnel where you can present these products. And I think this is a great approach, great approach, guys. So this is something which I would like to recommend you guys. But right now I'm just talking about product research and not about anything else. So I'm gonna try and stick to that. All right, so this is again a good tool. So these guys have started their Father's Day angle. So Father's Day pre-sale, 40% gift. And I know this product has actually worked surprisingly well in India as well. So I know people who have been selling this product here in India also, and it is doing great even in the Indian market. So guys, if you are into Indian e-com, maybe you should try this product. So guys, I really believe that you have got some idea about how I use this tool, and what are the benefits, why it is different from other spy tools, or why am I actually calling it one of the best spy tool of this year. Why I am actually surprised with the results, why I'm actually loving the experience of this particular tool. Now I know you must be curious about what are the pricing of this tool, and how you can get it, right? So let me simply show that to you. Alright, so guys, once you come up over here, you can actually get a free trial, and this product actually costs around $149 a month. This is actually a product which is for professionals, for people who are actually serious about dropshipping. Because if you are serious, then you do understand that $149 is actually nothing. It's even if you find one single winner using this product, $149 is absolutely nothing. So guys, as you have seen, this product actually costs $149, but if you decide to use my affiliate link and the coupon code which I'm gonna give you with my affiliate link, you can actually save around $50 on this particular tool. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. And yes, I'm not saying that this is a compulsion that you need to get this tool in order to be successful with your dropshipping store, but this tool can actually be an added benefit, because I simply believe that if it can give you one winner, then it's really worth 149 or maybe $100. So make sure to check out Adspy and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. And I'll see you in the next one.